Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Junior KG, let's play with numbers. Lesson number 4, page number 10. As we have learnt about shapes, in lesson number 3, those shapes were circle and triangle. Let's look at the next shape. It's a square. 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 A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Another shape here, it's a star. A star has 10 sides and 5 corners. Star, star. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners. A star has 5 corners. Now you can easily solve page number 10 by yourself. Jazakallah.